Hey guys, today I'm going to bake a whole chicken and some rice in a cast iron skillet. So let's get toasting. I have this 10-inch cast iron skillet that I bought at Walmart for $8 and it fits perfectly in my toaster oven. So I'm just going to use my toaster oven, but you could use the big oven as well. It'd be the same thing. So I'm going to use brown rice. There's already 2 cups of water in the pan, so I'm going to put 1 cup of brown rice in there and just kind of mix that up with the water a little bit there. And this is about a 4.5 or 5 pound chicken here. It's already rinsed off, so I'm going to season it with this Kinder's mild barbecue rub. I bought this at the grocery store, but you can season the chicken any way you like, but this is what I'm going with. Alright, my chicken is pretty well seasoned inside and out there. Now I'm going to put it in the pan breast down because that will keep the breast away from the heating element and it will keep it in the liquid so it will be moister, and also that way the wings and the legs will get crispy. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, and this oven preheats for a few minutes before the timer starts. So we'll just get that in there. And if you're going to use a big oven, a regular oven, I'd probably set the oven to about 350 on a big oven, but this oven I'm turning it all the way up to 450. It's been an hour and the timer on my oven just shut off. So let's see how it looks here. It looks pretty good to me. I let this cool down a little bit, but it's still pretty hot. Looks like the rice cooked really well. I did this one other time, so the rice turned out good. It's nice and cooked. It's not crunchy. Let's cut into the chicken and see how it looks. I can take this wing off, get that out of the way. All right, the skin's nice and crispy. A little bit dark on top, but it's fine, I think. And see what the skin looks like underneath. It doesn't brown underneath because, you know, it's doesn't get any heat there, but it looks really juicy. Look how juicy that breast looks. It's just, wow, wow. That's like some of the juiciest chicken breast I've seen. Wow. Turned out really juicy, and I didn't brine that or anything. Looks good. That's some juicy chicken breast right there. That's a winner chicken dinner. And the nice thing is all the chicken juice cooks into the rice, so the rice has a lot of flavor as well. There's Annie, the taste test dog. She just showed up. I guess we gotta let her try it. You wanna buy it, Annie? There you go. Well, she didn't choke and gag. I guess it passes the Annie test. So like I said, that oven preheats for like 10 minutes before the timer starts. So it was in the oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes, and I think it came out just about right. It's going to vary a little bit, probably according to your oven and how big your chicken is, but you know, probably around 1 hour. And like I said, that rice has a lot of flavor because all the chicken juice cooks down in it, and it was cooked really well. There was no crunchy pieces or anything, so it cooks really well in the cast iron. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.